This is question 2a. We are asked to simplify 2x over 5 negative x over 3. So first what you have to do is take the LCM 5 and 3. 5 divides 5, you have 3 left, so 2x multiplied with 3, sign is negative, 3 divides 3, so 5 is left, x multiplied with 5. So 2 times 3 is 6, you have a x there, and 5 times x will give you 5x divided by 3 times 5 is 15. So 6x negative 5x will give you x over 15. So you can rewrite this solution. So therefore 2x over 5 negative x over 3, when you simplify it you get x over 15. So this is the solution to this question. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We are asked to factorize a squared b positive 2ab. Now you got a and a b, you got a and a b, so take that a and a b out. So what you got here? A, and what you got here? You got 2. So this is the final solution for this question when you factorize it. Now question number C is express P as a subject of q is equal to p squared negative r divided by t. Now you are given this q is equal to p squared negative r divided by t. You cross multiply. So when you cross multiply you get qt is equal to p squared negative r. Next you push this r to the other side. So qt positive r, I'm going to write p squared like this. Now you take square root both sides. Now when you take square root both sides, we get, what do we get? We get root of p squared is equal to square root of qt positive r. This can be rewritten as p is equal to square root of qt positive r. You can write plus or minus. Okay, and that would be the solution for this question. Now you have the next question. Let me read the question. The student in a class sells donuts to raise money for their school project. The donuts are sold in small and large boxes. The number of donuts in each type of box is given as a table. So let me draw this table. You have type of box. Okay, box type is given. So you have two categories. One is small and the other one is large. Now number of donuts, okay, in the small box is given as x. The number of donuts in large box is 2x positive 3. Now it is given that the student sells 8 small boxes, okay, 8 small boxes and 5 large boxes, 5 large. Now what are we supposed to write? We're supposed to write the expression for this. Okay, write the expression. So what is the solution is going to be? Boxes sold. I'm going to write it as instead of saying boxes sold, I'm going to say donuts sold. Okay, total donuts sold is equal to 8 small boxes, so 8 into x positive 5 large boxes, 5 of 2x positive 3. That's the expression. Now if you want to evaluate this, I'm going to use the space here. Then that is going to be 8x positive 5 into 2, that's going to be 10x, 5 into 3 15. You add these two together, what do you get? 18x positive 15. What is this? This is the total donuts sold. That's the solution for this question. Okay, now let's move on. Now what they are saying is the second part. This is given. Number of donuts sold is given as 195. Total donuts sold. Now they are asking us to calculate the number of donuts in small box and large box. So find the number of donuts in small box, and I will add it as large box. So this information is given. So what is given? Given 18x positive 15 is equal to 195. You move this 15 to the other side, you get 18x is equal to 195 minus 15. So from 195 you take away 15, what do you get? 180. So 18x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 divided by 18. This divides 1 and you have a 0 there. So therefore x is equal to 10. Now x is equal to 10 is in the small box, right? But we can also get the large box donuts. So large box is what? This is for the small box. I'm going to write the large box. Large box is given as 2 times x positive 3. 2 times of 10 positive 3, which is 20 positive 3 is 23. So you have 23 in large box.